All right, everybody. Eli coming at you with a public pack crack brought to you by Jack Frost, who gave me these packs to begin with. Anyways, I'm in the car wash. Just got done getting back from my little vacation, and we're going to crack this pack of Top Stadium Club. I don't know, can anybody even see that? Do I need to turn on the lights? Let's I wonder. Turn. Does that help? Okay. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get into this. Cracking packs in the car wash. It used to be a popular song back in the day at the car wash. All right. We got. I got a George Brett. It's nice looking. Anthony Ronaldo. Steven Strasburg. See, Madison Bumgarner, Billy Butler. Got to make sure to get done before we get done with the car wash. Marcel Ozuna. I don't know. Anyways, let's see. We got Cliff Floyd. Ooh, die cut. This is nice. Luminous. Matt Harvey. Let's see. Nice. Let's see. Edwin Encarnacion. We're almost done. Fernando Valenzuela. I remember him. He was great. And Don Mattingly. All right. Okay, we're done. And we're done with the car wash. We're getting blown off. All right. Faith, family, football, or baseball. Peace out.